The power of time. Learn how to control your time and your life. Time is your most valuable asset. It's more valuable than money. You can always make more money, but you can never get more time. Once it's gone forever. This is why it's so important to learn how to manage your time wisely. When you learn to manage your time, you take control of your life. You can achieve more. You can reach your goals. You can live a happier and more fulfilling life. This video will teach you how to master time allocation. You'll learn how to plan your day for maximum productivity. You'll also learn how to overcome procrastination and get more done. Are you ready to take control of your time? Are you ready to achieve your dreams? Welcome to LeaducademyAI, where we fuel your growth and unlock your potential. Today, we're diving into concepts inspired by Master Your Time, Master Your Life by Brian Tracy. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications to access transformative insights and explore our exclusive free Leaducademy Essentials Vault, packed with PDF summaries of our videos to enhance your learning. Let's dive into today's topic. Understanding time allocation, what it is and why it matters for your success. Time allocation is simply the process of deciding how you will spend your time. It's about making conscious choices about what you will do and when you will do it. Sounds simple, right? But in reality, it can be quite challenging. We often find ourselves overwhelmed with tasks, meetings, and distractions that can easily derail our plans. Think about it this way. Imagine you have a jar. You have to put rocks, pebbles, sand, and water into this jar. The rocks represent your most important tasks. The pebbles are the less critical tasks. The sand is the minor tasks, and the water is everything else. If you start with the sand and water, you won't have room for the rocks and pebbles. This is a common mistake many people make when planning their day. But if you put the rocks in first, then the pebbles, then the sand, and finally the water, everything will fit. This method ensures that your most important tasks are prioritized and completed. Your day is like that jar. You need to prioritize your tasks to make sure you accomplish what truly matters. Your big important tasks are the rocks. These are the tasks that will have the most significant impact on your success. The smaller tasks are the pebbles. They are important but not as critical as the rocks. The sand is your email and social media. These are the minor tasks that can easily consume your time if you're not careful. And the water is everything else. These are the least important tasks that should only be addressed if you have time left. If you don't plan your day and allocate time for your most important tasks, you'll never get to them. Effective time allocation is crucial for achieving your goals and ensuring your success. By prioritizing your tasks and managing your time wisely, you can accomplish more and reduce stress. So, take control of your time, prioritize your tasks, and watch your productivity soar. Remember, it's not just about being busy. It's about being productive and making progress towards your goals. Your step-by-step guide. Learn how to plan your day for maximum productivity. Planning your day effectively can make a huge difference in how much you accomplish and how you feel at the end of the day. Now that you understand the importance of time allocation, let's talk about how to do it. Time management is not just about filling every minute with tasks, but about prioritizing and making the most of your time. Here's a simple step-by-step process that you can follow to ensure you are making the most out of your day. Step 1. Identify your most important tasks, or MITs. These are the tasks that will have the biggest impact on your goals and should be your top priority. What are the 2 or 3 most important things you need to get done today? These are your rocks. By focusing on these, you ensure that you are moving forward in the most significant areas of your life. Step 2. Schedule time for your MITs. It's not enough to just know what your priorities are. You need to make sure you have time set aside to work on them. Block out time in your calendar for your most important tasks. This means actually writing them down in your planner or digital calendar. Treat these blocks of time like important appointments. Don't let anything else interfere with this time. Step 3. Break down large tasks. Sometimes big tasks can feel overwhelming, and it's easy to procrastinate. If you have a large task, break it down into smaller, more manageable tasks. This makes it easier to get started and keeps you motivated as you complete each small step. This will make it seem less daunting. Step 4. Eliminate distractions. In today's world, distractions are everywhere and can easily derail your productivity. When you are working on a task, eliminate all distractions. This means turning off your phone, closing your email, and finding a quiet place to work. Focus is key. Step 5. Take breaks. Working non-stop can lead to burnout and decreased productivity. It's important to take breaks throughout the day. Short breaks can help you recharge and come back to your work with renewed energy. Get up and move around or step outside for some fresh air. This can help clear your mind and improve your focus. This will help you stay refreshed and focused. By following these steps, you can plan your day for maximum productivity and achieve your goals more efficiently. Putting it into practice. Real-world examples of time allocation in action. In this section, we will explore practical ways to manage your time effectively by looking at real-world scenarios. Let's look at some real-world examples of how to use time allocation. Example 1. Daily schedule. A well-structured daily schedule can be a game changer in managing your time efficiently. Plan your day the night before. This simple habit can set the tone for a productive day ahead. By knowing what you need to accomplish, you can hit the ground running in the morning. Block out time for your most important tasks, such as work, family, and personal time. Prioritizing these tasks ensures that you dedicate sufficient time to what truly matters. Example 2. Project management. If you are working on a large project, it can often feel overwhelming. The key is to break it down into smaller, manageable tasks. Break it down into smaller tasks and allocate time for each task. This approach not only makes the project seem less daunting, but also helps you track your progress more effectively. This will help you stay on track and meet your deadlines. Regularly updating your progress can provide a sense of accomplishment and keep you motivated. Example 3. Email management. Don't let email control your day. Emails can be a significant distraction if not managed properly. Schedule specific times to check and respond to emails. This prevents you from constantly being interrupted and allows you to focus on other important tasks and stick to your schedule. Turning off email notifications can also help you stay focused and reduce stress. Remember, the key to successful time allocation is to be intentional about how you spend your time. Mindfulness and deliberate planning can significantly enhance your productivity. Don't let your day just happen to you. Take proactive steps to manage your time and tasks. Take control and make it a productive one. By implementing these strategies, you can transform your daily routine and achieve your goals more efficiently. Success stories. See how others have mastered their time and achieved their goals. Countless successful people credit their achievements to effective time management. They understand that time is their most valuable resource. One such example is Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla and SpaceX. He is known for his incredibly busy schedule, yet he manages to run multiple companies, innovate constantly, and still find time for his family. How does he do it? By rigorously allocating his time and focusing on his most important tasks. Another example is Oprah Winfrey, media mogul and philanthropist. She built a media empire by carefully planning her day and making the most of every minute. These individuals, despite their different fields and personalities, demonstrate the power of effective time allocation in achieving ambitious goals. Thank you for joining us on this journey toward greatness. Remember to check out our free Leaducademy Essentials Vault in the video description, filled with PDF summaries to enrich your exploration. If you found value today, please like, subscribe, and explore the video description for more resources. Special thanks to Brian Tracy for the powerful ideas from Master Your Time, Master Your Life. Next video, continuous improvement for personal and professional growth.